The client portal is where clients can access essential documents like proposals and invoices. You can customize the portal settings to align with your branding, add navigation options, and include links to external pages such as your website or social media. The company info section automatically loads details from your company information defaults. You can use the toggle switches to control which information is displayed, edit the fields to customize the details, and restore the defaults if you need to revert any changes. The Branding and Analytics tab allows you to manage your company's visual and analytical settings. Your company logo will be preloaded, but you can update it by selecting the Choose Image option and uploading a new file. In the favicon section, you can choose a favicon icon from a selection of hundreds of options. This icon will appear on the Client Portal tab in the browser, much like how the Details logo appears on our website tab. Simply click the box to open the search option to select from the preloaded options on the left-hand side. Next, you can add your Google Analytics ID to integrate Client Portal activity into your business's analytics account. Below that, you'll find options to customize your colors. You can choose the color for your favicon text and accent color, which will apply to hyperlinks and buttons. The final section is the navigation section, where you can manage the menu and add custom navigation options. At the top, select which pages should appear in the Client Portal menu. For instance, toggle the proposal page to yes if you want it to be visible on all client proposals. At the bottom, you can add links to pages like Facebook, Instagram, your website, external documents, and so much more. To add a link, click Add option and then choose a custom icon. For example, to link to your website, select the globe icon and choose the style you'd like to use. Afterward, enter a name and URL for the link. To the right of the link, you can decide whether to open the page in a new tab by clicking the icon and turning it green. A green icon means the link will open in a new tab, while a black icon will open the link in the same window. Don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom to save your changes to the portal.